Hey there, craft enthusiasts, welcome back to our creative corner. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our creative community. Before we dive into the project, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you to supporting our channel. Your subscriptions, likes and comments means the world to us. If you enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Together, let's continue spreading the joy of crafting. Let's start the video. Grab a piece of cardboard, scale, cutter and pencil. We will cut the cardboard into long strips, each measuring about 1 cm wide. Repeat this process to make several strips, as we will need them for our project. Take another piece of cardboard and cut into circle shape. Grab the third piece of cardboard with the same circle size, but cut it 1 cm inward to create a circular base. Now it's time to put our crafting skills to work. Grab your trusty glue gun and let's start assembling. Take a one-off long strip and attach into the circular base, securing it with the glue gun. Repeat this process, adding more strips to create a round shape. Hey friends, feel free to share your thoughts and excitement about the project. We are making great progress. Keep attaching the strips to the circular base. Building upon each layer and watch as our lantern takes shape. Don't forget to take a moment to appreciate the intricate design and the effort you have put into creating this piece of art. Finally it is ready. Now you can see the perfect round shape. Now we are going to attach this circular shape to the lantern. Now secure it with the glue. Now comes the best part, adding the light. Grab some LED lights or fairy lights and carefully place them inside them. Watch as the warm glow brings your creation to life. Take a step back, admire your amazing handiwork, and let's capture some final shots to show the beauty of your dyed lantern. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more like this. Until next time, happy crafting!